You are watching Tech Support Spy.
Hey, welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. As always, we appreciate you guys tuning in and watching our content here on Tech Support Spy. I have not been doing or producing any content for Tech Support Spy in the past 2 weeks. And I'll do a video on that, on why here later. But as a small business owner, there are a lot of challenges that you face and a lot of things you have to work with and overcome, and I'll talk about that in a later video. But in this video, we want to talk about Microsoft Office 365. So Microsoft, which is no longer Microsoft Office 365, it's Microsoft 365. It includes all your Office applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, a whole bunch of other features, Microsoft Teams. But I want to talk about how Microsoft 365 family subscription has gone up. Have you gotten this email yet? And when I saw this email, I said, hell to the no. I am not paying an additional $30 for Microsoft 365 family, familia, whatever you want to call it. I'm not paying an additional $30 for this subscription. But I found a way for you to be able to work around that and still keep it at your $99 subscription fee. And I'm going to show you how you do that. Let's dive into the video, shall we? All right. If you have Microsoft 365 family, which used to be Office 365, it allows for you to have Microsoft 365 as a license up to 6 users that can use all the features, all the apps, Word, Excel, all the features and apps that come part of Microsoft 365. So depending on who's in your family, right? You know, you could have your mom, your dad, your sister, your cat, your dog, all of them can use Microsoft 365 and be a user in using that license. So if you got that email, you're probably like me, no, I'm not paying another $30 for a Microsoft 365 family subscription. You're probably like me, I'm not paying any more money, especially in our day and age right now here in 2025. No one is trying to pay any more money than what they need to. So let's show you how to get around that and keep it at that $99 price that you've been paying and not have to pay the additional $30 increase charge. All right, so you're going to need to have your Microsoft account credentials. So you're going to need to know what email that you've given Microsoft as your user ID or name for Microsoft, for your Microsoft account, and your password. So make sure you know what your Microsoft credentials are so that you can sign into your Microsoft account. So just go to Microsoft.com. All right, I can't spell. We're for darn. All right, so once we go to Microsoft.com, look in the upper right corner and you want to sign in. Sign in with your Microsoft account. So yes. Okay, so once you sign in, you're going to be signing in. You're still at that Microsoft page. Look in the upper right corner. You're going to see your name, all right, for your Microsoft account. And then you want to go to My Microsoft account. Once you get into your Microsoft account, you want to go to your subscriptions, all right? So you can either go here, and I'm going to make a payment, or at least I want to update my business card because my business card has expired. So you want to go to subscriptions here to the left. And then you're going to see your Microsoft 365 family, right? And here is where it's scheduled for them to charge me $130, which is different from the $99 that I've been paying. So we want to go down, or I'm sorry, you want to go to manage right here, right? You want to go to manage. And then you want to go down to cancel subscription. Once you do cancel subscription, it should show you 2 patterns here. So you want to scroll down and you're going to see current subscription and the lower cost without AI. And I didn't talk about this, but one of the reasons why they increased the prices for the AI features of Microsoft 365 family, the copilot, the AI features, that's why they've increased the price is now Microsoft 365 will include some advanced copilot and some advanced AI features as being part of Microsoft 365 family. But I don't want that. I don't need all that AI. I'm gonna just go to ChatGPT and use ChatGPT to do all my AI functions and needs that I need for AI to help me out with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do switch plan here. I had to update my business card with the subscription, and I've done that. And now it says you switch to Microsoft Family Classic. It says starting May 1st, 2025, we'll charge you the $99 plus the $8 estimated tax every year. You can continue to use or continue to enjoy Microsoft 365 family benefits until then. So at that point, I should be charged $99 plus the $8 tax fee, but they're not going to charge me the $130 now yearly for Microsoft 365 family. And as you see, my subscription now is at $99 plus applicable taxes. So I'm paying about $108, $109 instead of paying $138 or $135 a year for Microsoft family. So that is a way that you can get around that. I learned this from some of the publications I read, especially from PC Mag and PC World. And I'll have some links in the description for those articles of how you can change your Microsoft 365 family subscription from $130 to $99. And you just do it this way on how I showed you. I hope this video was helpful to you. We are back. We're going to have more content. Make sure you like this video, comment this video, share this video with others. Help this video get out there so that people can learn how to change their Microsoft 365 family subscription from the $130 increased fee that Microsoft is doing to their classic $99 a year fee. And that way you can save you $30 a year by using Microsoft 365. Thank you for watching Tech Support Spy.